How to get milk out of the mattress. For this DIY, I will show 2 methods for how to get milk out of the mattress. Did you spill milk on your mattress accidentally? There is nothing to panic about, because it is easy to get rid of milk stains if you act quickly. Milk, when left on the carpet for a long time, tends to get curdled quickly. Curdled or spoilt milk is slightly more challenging to clean than fresh milk stains. Also, when milk stains get dried up, you have to resort to efforts that take more effort and time in cleaning them. Here are some simple methods you can try to get rid of milk stains from your mattresses quickly. What things do you need to remove milk stains from mattresses? There are many methods to get rid of milk from mattresses, and we will explain those in the later sections. Based on the method you choose, you should have all these supplies ready. Clean paper towels or rags, preferably microfiber rags with absorbent properties. Damp sponge. Mild dish soap. Cold water. Baking soda. White vinegar. Vacuum cleaner with upholstery. Mild liquid detergent. Any brand of enzymatic cleaner. Using the blotting and cleaning method. This method works well for fresh and dried milk stains as well. If you are lucky enough to notice the milk stains when they are damp or fresh, use clean paper towels or microfiber rags to blot the milk stains from the mattress. Repeat the blotting process until you notice that the rags or towels don't have any milk stains on them when you blot. Use a damp sponge to wipe over the milk spots gently. Don't scrub too much, as this may lead to the spreading of the stains. Since the area has become damp, you can again use paper towels or microfiber rags to blot the stains and absorb the moisture. Mix 1 squirt of mild dish soap with 2 cups of cold water. Dip a clean rag in the solution and wipe over the milk stains. Clean the rag and repeat the process. Keep repeating until you see no more milk stains on the rag. Use a clean rag or sponge to wipe over the milk stains thoroughly. Though the milk stains have lifted from the mattresses, you will be left with their foul odor lingering in your homes. On the damp areas of the mattress that you have just wiped, sprinkle a generous quantity of baking soda. Let the powder sit on the mattress for around 6 to 7 hours. After 6 or 7 hours, use a vacuum cleaner to clean the baking powder. Spray some white vinegar over these spots to get rid of the foul odor completely. Disinfect the mattress and allow it to air dry thoroughly before using it again. Repeat the steps if you notice milk stains and odor even after cleaning the mattress thoroughly. Getting rid of dried milk stains. Dried milk tends to curdle on the mattress if left to dry for a long time. Here are some methods you can try to get rid of such dry milk spots. Using a vacuum cleaner with upholstery. You will only need a vacuum cleaner with attachments for upholstery for this purpose. A regular wet/dry vacuum cleaner will not solve the purpose. Many stores provide such vacuum cleaners for rent, so you don't have to worry, even if you don't have such a vacuum cleaner at home. Use a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment to spray some mild liquid detergent on the mattress. Now, use the sucking portion of the cleaner to suck back the liquid from the mattress. Let the mattress dry for at least 8 hours. This will give enough time for the dried milk stains to lift from the mattress. It is a good idea to invest in a protector, preferably waterproof, over the mattress to keep it safe from milk and other stains. Using an enzymatic cleaner. Milk stains are made of proteins. These stains, especially the dried ones, need powerful chemicals to break down the proteins in them. Enzymatic cleaners will do exactly that. Here is how you can use them to get rid of milk stains from your mattress. When the stains are dry, you cannot do much, so you need to dampen them first. Use a wet paper towel or a damp microfiber cloth to wipe over the dried stains. Blot the stains using this towel to get rid of as much milk as possible from the mattress. Make a DIY cleaning solution using equal parts of enzymatic cleaner and cold water. Pour this solution into a spray bottle. Spray this generously over the milk stains, and allow it to sit there for about 20 to 30 minutes. Use a steam or vacuum cleaner over the stains to remove all traces of moisture. Allow the mattress to air dry thoroughly for about 6 to 8 hours. Using mild laundry detergent. Using paper towels or microfiber rags, blot the milk stains properly. Place the towel under the spots as well, and blot thoroughly until you notice that the towels don't absorb any more milk stains. Pour some diluted liquid detergent over the milk stains. Allow the mattress to air dry thoroughly to notice that the milk stains have lifted from it completely. Some generic tips. For slight milk marks on your mattress, you can make a simple DIY cleaning solution by mixing equal parts of water and white vinegar, spray this over the spots, and use paper towels to blot until you absorb all the excess milk from the mattress. Air dry as usual, and your mattress is as new as ever. It is important to clean milk from the mattress as you notice the spillage. If left to dry, milk not only emanates a foul odor, but also causes yellowish stains on the mattress. These stains are not easy to remove. In some unfortunate scenarios, dried milk stains can also lead to issues like mold and mildew. Living in homes infested with mold and mildew can lead to respiratory issues and allergies. Hence, it is imperative to act on milk spillage as quickly as possible. Related post.